Welcome back everyone, it's the Tech Tutor here, and today, we will be looking at the top 4 free thumbnail editing platforms you can use for your YouTube channels. Let's get started. Thumbnail editor number 1, Picsart. Head over to your web browser and make sure to type in Picsart. Next, you find your way to the official Picsart website. There are so many things that we can create here, but our top priority today is YouTube. We have lots of YouTube options to choose from, but we're gonna have to stick to the YouTube thumbnail. From this very page, you have different layouts to choose from. You can also upload any stuff you want from your device. You also have various freemium and, of course, premium templates available on Picsart. And over here, you can export your finished design. First of all, you choose a file name. In this case, I'm gonna use the TechTutorr. Then of course, you choose a file type. You can choose between JPG, WebM, and MP4. But if you're going premium, you can then select the N or PDF file type, then click on Download to finish. Thumbnail editor number 2, Visme. Visme is another free thumbnail editor that can be accessed directly from your web browser. Type Visme into your search bar and head to their official website, which is now known as visme.co. A glimpse at the website alone shows that Visme is a very good option. Anyways, let's focus on creating the YouTube thumbnail. To begin with, click on the Sign Up menu from the top right corner of the page. The site shows that Visme has 20.5 million registered users, 32,000 projects created daily, and an overall rating of 4.5. You can sign up using your personal email, your Google account, or your Facebook account. This part isn't really necessary, but let's continue. Now that you're all signed in, click on Templates. The only problem with Visme is that it has limited templates as well as other limited features, but it can still get the job done for you. The limited templates available on Visme include templates for presentations, documents, whiteboards, charts, infographics, social media, videos, printables, web graphics, and so much more. What we're gonna do is to head over to the search bar and type in YouTube thumbnail. Unfortunately, there are only 30 YouTube thumbnail templates to choose from. As for me, Visme isn't really all that when compared to the other YouTube thumbnail editors. Why? As I said before, this is because Visme is very limited. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's get back to the video. Thumbnail editor number 3, Picmaker. Have you heard of Picmaker? Well, it's a similar YouTube thumbnail editor which is just as good as Picsart. Picmaker is an AI-powered social media management platform with endless design suggestions, smart post captions, trending content, and even the best times to publish. The AI helps users stand out from the crowd and stay ahead of the competition. Picmaker gives you a list of so many cool pictures to use for your YouTube thumbnail. This list consists of both free and premium photos which appear so realistic. Picmaker also allows you to select from many objects. When you select this objects, it will be your choice to either use it or edit it. Oops! I nearly forgot to show you their amazing thumbnail templates with different categories such as fitness, yoga, food, fashion, travel, business, training, courses, and so much more. Finally, how to download. From the top right corner of the page, click on Download. Then, you click on Download again. From this small window, you have to select the desired file type. As usual, JPG is free but N and PDF are premium. The only disadvantage here is that you can only download one thumbnail per month, which is very discouraging. The fourth and final thumbnail editor for today's video, Canva. Canva is the thumbnail editor that I personally use. Why? Well, because 1. It is absolutely free. 2. It has variety of items to choose from. And 3. I actually feel it's the best when it comes to making thumbnails. So, you're gonna wanna click on Create Design. Then you head over to the search bar and search for YouTube thumbnail. Now, you click on the YouTube thumbnail option. So, what I'm gonna do now is to create my own thumbnail for this video. So, this is the thumbnail I created for this video. Thanks for watching and make sure to comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.